वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji at tongue 703 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji touches the deepest corners of the human heart. It's a prayer we all have whispered at some point in our lives, in the moment of fear, confusion, or helplessness. Jai Sri Mahalla Nauma Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji says, Harjiyo rakh leo pat meri, which means, oh dear Lord, please save my honor. So Guruji in the next verse says, Jam ko tras payo ur antar saran gahi, kirpa nit teri rahao, which means the fear of death has entered my heart. I cling to the protection of your sanctuary, O Lord, ocean of mercy. Such a simple words yet so profound. It's not just a prayer, it's the moment of truth. When the heart admits, yes, I'm scared, I can't handle this alone. And instead of fighting, it simply surrenders. So this plea, Rakh Leo Pat Meri, is not about worldly image or ego-based respect. It's about our spiritual honor, or inner truth, or divine dignity. The fear of Jam here doesn't only mean the fear of physical death. It means every form of fear that traps us. Fear of rejection, fear of loss, fear of the unknown, fear of what tomorrow holds. And when such fear arises, Guru doesn't tell us to escape or deny it. He simply reminds us, you are not alone. So I'll make a separate video on surrender. Surrender shifts your energy from fear to faith, from asking why me to saying try me Almighty. See, you can't fight fear by thought. You dissolve it by realizing a higher force is already working through you. So the moment ego bows down, grace rushes in. So let's bring this into our daily lives. You're worried about your health, your career, your child's future. The mind starts overthinking, the heart starts racing. In that moment, just pause. Close your eyes and say from your heart, Harjiyo rakh leho pat meri. Not as a desperate cry, but as a declaration of trust. I may not have control, but I have connection. And in that connection with the divine turns panic into prayer and confusion into calm. Remember Arjuna on the battlefield. He dropped his bow, trembling with fear. But the moment he said to Lord Krishna, I am your disciple, guide me. And that was his Harjiyo Rakh Leho Pat Meri. The Gita began when surrender happened. So today's Hukamnama is not just a prayer, it's an invitation to stop trying to control everything and instead trust the one who already controls it all. Ask yourself, where in my life am I living in fear? And can I shift from control to trust, from panic to peace, from me to thee? Because when you say, Harjiyo rakh leo pat meri, you are not escaping life, you are embracing it through grace. So now before we close, here is a small yet very powerful reflection. Something to experience rather than just understand. So here is a small assignment for you. Think of one situation. Think of one situation that's currently making you anxious. Something real in your life right now. Now observe your being. How you behave in that situation, your being in that moment. Are you being fearful, helpless, or being defensive? Now take a deep breath and choose to be in surrender. Whisper softly, Harjiyo rakh leho pat meri. I place this in your hands, O Almighty. Now notice what changes inside you, your breath, your body, your energy. Write down in one line in your journal. When I changed my being, when I shifted my being, this is what changed in me. Now watch how your world starts to respond when you shift your being. Because the outer world is the only reflection of your inner vibration. So try this not as a homework but as a heart work. Because true surrender is not giving up, it's rising up in grace, trust, and divine trust. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, Sadbadda Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.